5 reasons why the Bissell Little Green portable carpet cleaner is my go-to for keeping my home spotless, especially with 2 pets. Number 1 is the superior suction. This little machine packs a punch with 30% more suction power than the leading competition. It easily lifts even the toughest pet stains from carpets and upholstery. Number 2 is the instant and permanent pet stain removal. Paired with the Pet Pro Oxy formula, it removes stains like they were never even there. Muddy paw prints, embedded dirt, and pet urine are gone for good. Number 3 is the self-cleaning tough stain tool. No more gunk left behind. With just one touch, the hose and tool actually clean themselves, making cleanup after the cleanup super easy. Number 4 is it's easy to use literally anywhere. The extra long hose and cord let me reach those tricky spots, whether it's on my carpet, couch, or even in my car. Plus, the 2-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, no mess, no hassle. Last up is the pet hair removal tool. It makes quick work of pet hair on upholstery, leaving my home looking clean and fresh.